Hey neighbors, what we've been working towards for many years has finally started to come to fruition. In case you hadn't noticed, a nice window of dry weather's upon us and construction has started on our dam repair. The barrel lining team was out here last week synchronizing schedules, and Lynn Winchester's team is grading and preparing a pad for the crane that will lift the riser pipe. They decided it was safer to position the crane in the dry lake bed rather than on top of the dam. We also confirmed that the lake bed is dry and firm enough to support heavy equipment. Work will continue in earnest during the week of August 21st, Eclipse Day. I'm also having discussions with Lynn about clearing the growth inside of the lake, including the west end. The discussion is to clean up the shoreline for all properties that have contributed and agreed to have us do so. Clean up and dredge the west end, then dig a hole in the middle of the lake. The debris would be pushed into the hole, then covered with dirt. Then as it decays, the dirt will hold it down, reducing the floating debris as the water rises. We have a budget for this, and we have options, so I won't overpay. For the few that remain in wait-and-see mode before they pay or finish paying, this activity and certainly this coming week's activity should satisfy you. We won't plan on clearing any shorelines without the express permission and payment from the prospective homeowners. These are happy days in the life of our lake. Don't pop the champagne yet, but put it on ice.